There's a Gĩkũyũ proverb that says, Riũa rĩtietagĩrĩra mũthamaki. Riũa rĩtietagĩrĩra mũthamaki. That means the sun does not wait for a king. It's a proverb that reminds us that nature and life's processes do not wait for anyone or do not stop for anyone, not even the most powerful people. So whether you're rich, poor, ordinary, or you're going through some situation, it does not matter. Time moves forward the same for all of us. So this proverb encourages you not to wait for the perfect moment or the perfect conditions for you to start what you need to start, because time will move forward regardless. If you keep postponing your ideas, your goals, your growth, time will still move, but you will still be in the same place. Start what you need to start today. Make the call. Take the lesson. Do whatever you need to do today, because Riũa rĩtietagĩrĩra mũthamaki. Bye bye.